For this example, we're going to solve using the substitution method. What that means is we're going to substitute one equation to the other. Now if you notice, we already have x equals 16 minus 3y. So what that means is I'm going to take the 16 minus 3y and I'm going to replace in the other equation for the x. So I'm going to take the 9 and then I'm not going to use the next. I have no idea why it does that. And it does that all the time. I just don't like it. So I'll take that x and we're going to replace it with what it equals down here, 16 minus 3y, then close it. So now instead of 9x we got 9 times that, and then write down the rest of the first equation, plus 5y equals negative 10. The reason why we do that is because now we have an equation that has nothing but y's as the variable and not two different variables like this one did. So now let's multiply this out. 9 times 16 is 144. 9 times negative 3y is negative 27y. Drop everything else. Subtract or combine like terms. Keep the 144 minus 27y plus 5y is negative 22y equals negative 10. Subtract the 144. Move my paper down. Notice that sign there stays with the 22y, so it's negative 22y equals negative 154. Divide both sides by negative 22. Go ahead and drop it down some more. And we get y equals, what is 154 divided by 22? First off, a negative divided by negative is a positive. Is that 7? I do believe it is. 7 times 2 is 14. And 4 to 15. Yep, 7. So now we have a y equals 7. Now we need to find x. Now it doesn't matter which formula or which equation you use, but this one is by far easier to find x. So I'm going to use that one. We have x equals 16 minus 3y, and we know what y is because we just found it. It's 7. Not sure what that is. And then 3 times 7 is 21, and x equals negative 5. Now you can always check it. Let me write the answer down. The answer is negative 5 comma negative 7. That's the solution right there. If you want to check it, throw in the negative 5 up here, and then the 7 for the y, and check and see if it all equals out. 9 times negative 5 is negative 45. 5 times 7 is 35. And negative 45 plus 35 is negative 10. And what that means is it checks out. See that? Negative 10. So negative 5, negative 7 is the solution.